Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 July 2018, 00 of hour, 23 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is of RCA cable digital or analog. In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is of RCA cable digital or analog. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is of RCA cable digital or analog. A digital coaxial connector looks like an RCA connector, but it transmits digital data instead of analog signals. The digital coaxial cable is thicker than a typical audio cable. However, because it uses the same type of shielded coaxial cable you use to connect your television to your cable box. Last update November 12, 2004. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.